Bonjour, comment allez-vous? Hello, how are you? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Learn French with Anubhav. If you have already subscribed to my channel, press the bell icon to get the latest updates. In today's class, we are going to discuss the answer key for CBSE Class 10 French exam 2022-23, which took place yesterday, 20th February 2023. Till now, we have completed section B, section C, and section D. All those videos are present in a playlist, and the link to that playlist has been added in the description box below. Now I know that I had to upload and record this video yesterday itself, but yesterday it got a bit late since I had some work apart from solving the paper as well, and hence this video got a bit delayed. So it's evening of the next day, 21st, and I'm recording this video, and as soon as the recording is done, I'll upload it as soon as possible. Okay, so section A, comprehension passage, very easy. Question number 1, lisez le texte, regardez l'image et répondez aux questions suivantes. So read the text and look at the image and respond to the following questions. So we have in the text, like, of course I couldn't show you in the recording, but there's like a 2-3 lines written here, and there are 4 circles over here, okay, and there's some figures mentioned. So in the center it's 92% des 12 à 17 ans possèdent un smartphone. Okay. 92% of the 12 to 17-year-old people are possessing a smartphone. Et 78 de ces dernières ont un compte sur les réseaux sociaux. Donc, okay. And 78% of the smartphone owners are having account on social media, of which 62% Snapchat, 62% Snapchat, 53% Facebook, 53% Facebook, 50% Instagram, 50% Instagram, and the other percent Twitter, 22% Twitter. Fine. The heading of the passage is l'usage des médias sur les enfants et les adolescents. The usage of media on the children and the adolescents, which means the teenagers. Let me just check the recording once whether it's going on fine or not. Yes, it's going on fine, and we can now start discussing the passage quick. Right. So les médias exercent une profonde influence sur le développement psychosocial des enfants. So the media exerts a profound influence on the psychosocial development of the child. Ce texte vise à explorer les effets bénéfiques et négatifs des médias sur la santé mentale et physique des enfants. This text will look to explore the effects, beneficial and the negative effects of media on the mental and physical health of children. La télévision a le potentiel de produire des effets à la fois positifs et négatifs, et de nombreuses études portent sur les répercussions de la télévision sur la société. So the television has the potential of producing the positive, at times the positive and the negative effects, and numerous studies are there on the repercussions of television on the society. En particulier sur les enfants et les adolescents, particularly on the children and the adolescents, the teenagers. Regarder sur la télévision limite souvent le temps que les enfants peuvent consacrer à des activités essentielles comme le jeu, la lecture, l'interaction avec les camarades et la famille, l'exercice physique régulier, etc. So, watching too much TV limits often the time when I mixed up the 2 lines. Regarder sur la télévision limite souvent le temps. Watching television limits often the time in which the children can concentrate to the essential activities like the game, the reading, interaction with the camarade, the classmates, and the family, and the regular physical exercise. La télévision peut être un professeur d'une grande influence à améliorer les aptitudes de lecture et d'apprentissage et des téléspectateurs. The television can perhaps be a professor of a big influence, improving the aptitude of reading and learning of its viewers, téléspectateurs, viewers, television viewers. Certains jeux vidéo peuvent contribuer au développement de la motricité fine et de la coordination. A certain video game can contribute to developing the motricity. What's motricity? Sorry. Motricité, motor skills. Fine motor skills and of the coordination. Mais bien des aspects relatifs aux effets négatifs de la télévision s'appliquent aussi à une plus grande exposition aux jeux vidéo. So, but some aspects, relative aspects to the negative effects of the television apply as well on a much big exposition to the video game. Okay, so video game is also very much responsible for having a negative effect as well. Some positives are there, but along with that, some negative effects are also there. Les parents souvent ne peuvent pas correspondre aux capacités de leurs enfants à l'ordinateur ou dans l'Internet. Internet possède l'énorme potentiel de fournir aux enfants et aux adolescents l'accès à de l'information éducative et il peut se comparer à une énorme bibliothèque à domicile. So the parents often cannot understand to the capacity of their children l'ordinateur. Okay. In true and false, it's the other way around it, and that's why it's false. Right? We will discuss it later, don't worry. So they often have less capacity of understanding, right? Corresponding, it's not compound, it's corresponded, so it must be corresponding to the computer or in the internet. Internet possesses an enormous potential of providing to children and to adolescents the access to the information, educative information, and it can also be compared with a enormous home library at your place, of course. E-books are there, journals, research papers, so many things are there. Répondez aux questions suivantes. That was your passage. Now we are starting with the subjective questions. Now is the subjective questions, a few things that I always recommend to follow. First, be it any sort of subjective question, paraphrasing the question is important. Though it may not, you may think that it does not carry marks, but it adds up to the impression. And you should be doing this, right? Paraphrasing the question is important. And second thing is, don't just copy the exact text. You can frame a bit in your words as well. So, first question number, okay, now numbering you need to take care of. Question number 1, part 1, A part. Be careful while numbering. Quels sont les effets négatifs des médias sur des adolescents? What are the negative effects of media on the adolescents, on the teenagers? So first write this heading, a small heading, les effets négatifs. I'm not writing the full thing, you have to write the full thing. Les effets négatifs des médias sur les adolescents sont, colon. Les effets négatifs des médias sur les adolescents are. Now, you can write point-wise, you can write 2 points. First, il exerce une profonde influence sur le développement psychosocial. So it exerts a profound influence on the psychosocial development. And the next one you can write, les adolescents les effets négatifs. You can add this point that if they watch too much TV, they can't really concentrate on much things, right? So les adolescents, I'm paraphrasing a bit, souvent ne peuvent pas consacrer Des activités essentielles, comme like the game, leisure, l'exercise. Then we had, wait, let me just, l'exercise and the lecture, the reading, and then you can write that interaction point, l'interaction avec la camarade et la famille, etc. This much is sufficient. Now, not second, B part. B part is comment la télévision peut-elle avoir une bonne influence sur nous? How can it have a good influence on us? So first thing first, you need to write the opening statement like the way we did it here for better presentation. La télévision peut avoir une bonne influence sur nous. Colon. Okay, you give the heading and then you write the points. Heading is optional though. It's just that I prefer for better presentation. Okay. Moreover, it's a subjective paper, right? So we should do this. Yeah. Sur nous. So I'm going to use gerundive here. I know I'm complicating the stuff a bit, but why not? I mean, if I know the application, I'll use it. En devenant. By becoming devenir, remove IR, add ANT, it's participe présent, and if you add EN before that, it becomes en. So, en devenant, it can either be translated to while becoming or by becoming, okay. So, par nous, I ended the opening statement by par nous, right? Nous, comma, en devenant. By, sur nous. It can have a good influence on us by becoming dash dash dash. Okay, in that way I'm going to frame. So en devenant préféré, of course you need not to write like that. It's just that I felt why not? Okay. Just a revision. It has been a while I haven't used gerundive. I mean I use participe présent quite a lot when conversing in day-to-day scenarios in case I converse with someone in French, right? But gerundive is something I don't use much, so yeah. Anyways, never mind. Du grand intervenant, un professeur d'une grande influence. It can become a professor of a big influence by what? Comma, it can improve, elle peut améliorer les aptitudes de lecture et de l'apprentissage. It can improve the aptitude of learning and reading. Again, let me check the recording once. I mean, I know you might find it weird that why I check the recording again and again. It's just that, okay, I'm telling this story maybe third or fourth time. It's just that once it happened that because of the collar mic, I twisted like this and the phone also got twisted like that, and for 8 minutes, the video was getting recorded like that. Half both was visible. And I didn't get to know that. So to avoid such sort of situation, I prefer to be cautious. Like currently I am the only one in this room, so that's why. I prefer recording my videos alone. Yeah, the lecture et de l'apprentissage. And you can add one more point, like it's a 2 marker, come on, you need to write 2 points. Until and unless in the passage there's only 1 point, you don't have any other option. But if there are 2 points or 3 points, right, at least 2, it's a 2 marker. If I'm not wrong, it's a 2 marker, right? Yeah, it's a 2 marker. Because true and false is like half mark each, 6 questions, and then the last question in which they're asking for preposition, adjective, etc. That's also like 6 into 1.5, that is 3. So 3 plus 3 plus 4, that's the division. You were supposed to do 2 out of, see, I numbered it, oh, I numbered it correct, sorry. Hey, remove this, it's taking so much space. See. Est-ce que l'Internet peut éduquer aussi, justifier votre réponse? Can Internet educate as well? Justify your answer. Question is with esker. And when do we use esker in our day-to-day conversation? When we expect an answer to be with yes or no. Right, so of course we need to begin with we. Don't miss this step, please, because we have esker. Let's do justice to the question. Right, so we. Internet per eduke. I'm not writing the full thing. You need to write the full thing. Due to the time constraint, I'm not writing the full thing. Okay. But don't do in your next exam as like you did ... just because Anubhav did it. No, it's just that I have to do it in a bit short. That's why I did like that. Now you can proceed with the reasoning and stuff. So, il possède l'énorme potentiel de fournir aux enfants et aux adolescents l'accès à de l'information educative. So it can provide to the children and the adolescents the access to the educative information. Il peut se, the last line of the passage, il peut se comparer à une énorme bibliothèque domicile. It can be compared to a big home or enormous home library. Now I need not do the board again because objective questions are there. Subjective questions I need to rub the board again and again, so it becomes a bit tedious at times. Anyways, question number 1, part 2, A, B, C, D, E, F, half mark each. I hope it's, yeah, A, B, C, D, right. Verrou faux, true and false. First one, selon l'infographie, des adolescents sont connectés sur les réseaux sociaux. As for the infographic given to us, the adolescents are much connected, very connected to the on the social media. Yes, they are. Vrai. First one, vrai. B part, les médias jouent un rôle important dans la vie des adolescents. Yes, it does. It plays an important role in the life of the adolescents. Vrai. C part, les parents des adolescents sont souvent aussi habiles que leurs enfants selon le texte. So other parents often equally equipped or skillful in as their children when it comes to technology according to the text. No, it's not always like that, right? Faux. Usually they are not, as per the text. Les adolescents sortent moins parce qu'ils sont devant l'écran. The adolescents move out less because they're in front of the screen. Yes, it's true. E part, les jeux vidéo ont toujours de bons effets sur un adolescent. Video game always has a good effect on the adolescent? No, not always. Sometimes it does, but not always. So, faux. And the last one we have, Internet est un outil important pour avoir de l'information. Internet is an important tool to have information. Yes, of course. Vrai. I mean, I am uploading the videos on YouTube and you are watching through what? Internet connection. Right. So yes, internet is essential for information, isn't it? Third part. Third part is also very easy. A, B, C, D, E, F. First, A part is saying search a preposition. To do not text, search a preposition. It's very easy. Sur is repeating numerous times. So better write sur. If there's any other preposition you couldn't find, that would also work. Right. An adjective. Adjective grand. Grand will work. Enormous is also there. There are many adjectives. Numerous adjectives you will find. Right. I'm writing grand. Form nominal d'étudier. It's given in the text itself. Étude, studies. Le contraire de détourier. Deteriorating or deteriorate. The word itself is a tongue twister. Deteriore. Deteriore. That's the better pronunciation. That's the exact pronunciation. Racconta de deteriore. Ameliore. Right. Deteriorating. Improving. Ameliore. E part, we have an auto mopu ground. You can have two answers, enorme and profondere. Profound. Both will be fine. Profound is profound, which means very great, or largely, like profound impact, largely impacted. And enorme, ground, very big. Enorme is enormous. Right. Both will work, according to me. And la forme verbale, verb form of production, produire. Yay, with this we are done with the answer key, complete answer key for this sample paper, for this actual paper. Oh yeah, the credit for this question paper goes to CBSE. The sentence I always say in my videos, right? With this, answer key over. Wow, finally, yay. Okay, now what will I do? 1 or 2 days break if I can take. I hope I can take. I uploaded like how many videos? 30, 31. 31 videos in the span of how many days? 11, 12 days? Nice. So yeah, 1 or 2 days break. Then 2 of my vlogs are left to are pending to be edited, and some of my YouTube shorts are planned. And then I'll proceed with class 11, 12 content once again, right? So yeah, let's put a halt here. C'est tout pour aujourd'hui. That's all for today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Learn French with Anubhav. And if you have any doubt or suggestion, you may write that in the comment section below. You may also like my Facebook page by the same name, Learn French with Anubhav. See you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Au revoir. N'oubliez pas que Learn Français, c'est l'amour.